YouTube, what's good, man? Anissa and I got up really early this morning. It's currently 8 o'clock and we got some new guys. So I'm gonna open the gate and back the van all the way up to the gate. We're gonna let them in. Oh yeah, I gotta pee. Alrighty guys, let's get in front of the van and talk about what's going on. So we have to get this guy out of the van, and he's our goat, but we don't know him, he doesn't know us. And so worst case scenario, he goes that way. I'm gonna try to pick him up though. I should leave my shirt on and put him in here and have Anissa close the gate. But welcome back to the channel. If you don't know, I'm Kyle and this is Anissa, my fiance. We just started our homestead journey. And if y'all don't have any homestead experience and are thinking about farming, any of that, doing anything with animals, growing food, building stuff, just do it. And watch us, because we're just doing it. Oh.
Yes. Later, 6.5 hours later.
Get from under there, girl. We're shoeless. Well, we got the boy. Okay, well, it worked out perfectly. Oh, he ripped it right out. I don't want him to hurt himself. Oh, man, never mind. The leash had got caught on the gate. It's all good. Winston, back there eating all of Stanley's food. And you worried about trying to get out here with us. You need to eat your food, boy. And I just put a little bit right there to see if the turkeys would peck at it. But we've actually got pellets. That's the crumbles. So they're probably used to eating crumbles. Look, Stanley, they want to be your friend. Oh, no. Hey. No. Stanley will kick them if he doesn't like it. I really just have to monitor them, but I'm not really worried about that. The turkeys are little fries compared to Stanley. And in a month, he'll be really big, so he'll put him in check if. All right, guys, my turkey. I am so happy we got these big old birds. Here, wait. Oh, Stanley, I know you eat from my hand. Big DD, please do not eat this turkey food. Turkeys. Here. I know that pack will hurt. Y'all don't want no food? Y'all don't want no turkey? Y'all want pellets, don't y'all? Oh, we got a tortoise popping out. Don't eat the fig. Baby, no. Stanley, I'm trying to offer your food to Big Dog over here, Winston. Winston, yo, you see that? You ain't never seen one of those in your life, have you, Winston? I know. Here. Look at that. I ain't gonna hurt you. Look, here you go. Good boy, Stanley. Corner him in and push him my way. Here. It's food. It's okay, Winston. Stanley, don't let him get over here. So emus are actually used as livestock guardians. And Stanley does need friends, but he's gonna protect these guys. Don't peck my daughter, boy. Good boy. Look at these big old birds. Look at this tortoise. Just want some food. I shouldn't have ate all of this stuff right here. No, I'm just kidding. I'll feed y'all in a little bit. Here, Winston. Here, I'll sit down and you can come get the food. How about that? Look at Stanley. He gonna eat the food from my hand. Stanley, be a good example. Look, Winston. It's okay. I need to take that leash off. Oh, what are you doing? Why are you so loud? Big DD's like, oh, what are these things? Let me just sit down. Come on, Winston. Attaboy. Stanley ain't gonna hurt you. Oh, I shouldn't have got up. I'm sorry, Winston. Come on, Winston. Eat the food and I'll leave. If you go eat the food, I'm gonna leave. Stanley, don't pluck. Let Winston eat your food. Oh, he wanna try to eat that. So goats are actually great. They will eat up all of that. Not saying that's what we got him for, but he'll literally try to eat all of this up. All of this foraging. He was eating sticks over there. So goats are pretty cool, man. People say they're evil because of them devil eyes. Yay, we got Winston to eat. Stanley, you cool with Winston eating your food? Uh-oh, we finna find out, ain't we? Can y'all share food, bro? Oh, Stanley's the dominant male out here. Winston, I don't want to hurt you, bro. Oh my gosh. Winston, we need to take this leash off. Good girl, Big D, come on. All right, Winston be tripping. And Stanley act like he can only have fun when I'm in here. But I did get to see Winston use this ramp. It's so cool. I just got this back here. Oh, and I'm gonna fix this today since we have some cool creatures back here today. Look at Winston. He just wants to be included and loved. Hello, you big. Oh, that's a big turd. Can I rub you? No, you don't like humans. Come on. Don't run from me. Come here. Come here. Oh, look at Big Dee coming to me. Hey, Big Dee. Come here, bird. Come here. Look at that. These things are huge. Good girl. I love you. I love you. Yeah, yeah. Your daddy love you. Some people don't got a dad in their life. Oh, shit. That, Stanley. They took your water. Go play with him.
She's so sassy.
He on protect mode.
Yo, Winston's tripping.
Yeah. I just want to take the leash off. Ash. Come here, Ash. Maybe if I scare him, he'll faint. Nah. Oh, man, you are looking really good up here. You too. What's up? Huh? What's up? What about you? Oh, man, you're chunky. How you doing? She's looking crazy back there. Alrighty. Let's go in the handy dandy refrigerator. Let's see what we're gonna feed these animals. So this is the red tegu. He's 3 years old now, and his name is Chico Bean. He's huge, huge, huge. Chico loves bananas, and tegus are omnivores, so they can eat anything, meat, fruits, vegetables, they love it all. He's a beast. These guys get really, really big. The males have these big jowls. That's under their jaw, that's just jaw muscles. And they use that to add pressure to their bites. And that's actually how you can tell the difference between the males and the females. It's pretty cool. The jowls get really, really big on the males. It's pretty funny, actually. Kind of look like balls. Oh yeah, we're not out of turtle food. The last bit of the turtle food we have in the greenhouse. These girls eat it up by themselves. Oh, Philip got scared of Stanley. Look at her. Oh, my bad. I just cracked dusted it. Put your head underwater. Oh, Philip, don't eat. It's cool to see Philip try to eat. It takes him a minute. Oh, Stanley, why are you pecking us? Alrighty, next up, we're gonna give Chico more than that. We're gonna give him some meat though. Only give him one banana. We got the little baby albino iguanas. I usually have my snake hook to keep this open, but the water will keep it open.
It's raining inside.
So,
They're nosy, but they're scared.
Hmm?
They're nosy, but they're scared. Yo, you're biting my crock, dude. You're gonna
the
die.
tortoise. Alrighty. they're blind, so they don't know that their food is down here. Oh man. Let me get one more for this one back here. Oh yeah. So hopefully they find me the food.
Why is there a fat ass hole right there?
Oh, I had dug that up to put water in for the toilets.
I almost just tore my ACL.
Alrighty, now to feed these vicious rhinoceros iguanas who are very hungry. With them, I try to put it in myself, but I usually have to do it like this. I put it in here first, just because they're too crazy. If I try to put it in with my hands, they will destroy my fingers.
He's just scared.
And I gotta be quick, because that guy in the back is gonna want her food, and she will not let him have it. Oh, drop more of the tortoise to eat it. Come on, big dude. I got you something right back here. There you go. Oh, nope. You got your own. You got your own. Let's bust him down a whole banana. Those turkey are really cool.
Mm-hmm. Stanley, 6 feet. Monkeypox is real.
Ooh, boy. One of the albino iguanas got down to the food. Hopefully the other ones will. Hopefully the rest of this. Stanley, you do not want none of that. Come on, girl, before your man come and eat all this up.
Taking a scenic route.
Look at this big old snaky shed.
I showed him.
Oh man. Alright, we gotta come back for Chico's food. Alright, get out. This is reptiles only in here now. Hey, bird. Oh yeah, I caught you, boy. Here. Here. Here.
Oh, dude. He wanted bad.
Come on, man. You want this. Oh. Stanley, don't scare him. Stanley, get the... Oh, yeah, boy. Come on, Winston. You know you want this.
He's tasting it.
Winston, do you want a banana?
He said, man,
Winston. Stanley. Here,
you
Winston.
jealous.
Try this. Come on, Winston. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy, you want that. Come on now. You want that. Winston, you know you want this banana, bro. Stop playing. Here, buddy. Look, you want this banana? Yeah, you gonna fuck this banana up, ain't you, huh? Oh, yeah. Come on, you know you want that, bitch. Oh.
Oh.
Oh, man. Yeah. Stanley. Dude, don't eat a shit. If you don't eat it, the tortoise will. So here, you want that? No. Here, bro. Holy cow, you're strong.
Oh, now he wanted cause.
Now you want it because Stanley's eating it? It's alright, bro. Remember, you're tripping. Hey, turkey.
He said, I'm your only bird.
Oh, yeah, he like it. The other turkey don't. Oh, he's eating our Home Depot plant. Winston! Some things were like $20. He's a thug. He want to eat shrubs. He don't want the good produce.
What you back there doing?
How you don't like bananas and the other turkey do? You fatter than you. And the tegu meat. Community banana. Yeah, you look like you dying over here.
Yeah, especially chicken.
Yeah, you need to eat. Eat this whole banana here. Oh, baby. They been bullying you at the food or something?
I don't know how she was the bully.
Right?
Look at Kane. You're not supposed to be on the couch.
Okay, where are the food bowls? They buried them. That's ridiculous. Yo, they buried the food bowls.
Why do they have a non-filter in there?
Decoration. Alright, I go get some paper plates.
Is she hungry over there? She's eating the stuff off her lips.
They're not killing it anymore. Oh! Oh!
Trying to record in the tank. Not easy.
My head in them. Oh, you're fat, bro. They probably be ready in a month.
And you stop trying to escape.
Here to here. 8 feet. So we're gonna do 8 feet and 2 inches. Just so we have a little pool room. Man, vlog. So we bought some turkeys that don't fly. That's pretty cool. Their breasts are too big for them to fly. Winston! Hey, boy! He gonna love me one day. And these guys are like big as Stanley, right? What do you think? 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 Say, I'm a broad-breasted emu. These guys are like Australian emus, just without the legs. Look at those feet. Look at Stanley's feet. Holy cow. Yeah, never mind. Them things are way more deadly. What's up with you? I ain't gonna hurt you. I ain't gonna hurt you. You can stay in the water. You can stay in the water. Oh. Oh. Oh, man, that's a big bird. Shall I go eat some food with Stanley? He's a protector. So we're gonna get some more emu. Oh, Stanley. Don't be like that. Stanley, you got water right here. Why are you drinking out the mud? Winston. Here, buddy. Winston, look. No, look, just look. Look at those balls on this thing. Look. I had to chase him to get that leash we had on him off. I want some of this. So I was gonna build something cool for them to go up on at night, but their breasts are so big that they don't fly. So we'll have to build them something cool. I gotta think of something them and Winston can be under. Not together, but in their own separate spaces. So we'll see, man. Okay, guys, what do y'all think? I think this looks pretty good. Alrighty, YouTube. Now that we got everything measured, I started with the cutting. Check this out. Our peacock chicks got out and came by the turkey. What the hell? Okay. I'm currently staking out. And I'm waiting for this peacock chick. They got out somehow, and they ended up back here under the turkey. They're all the way back there. And I put one in this box to lure the other one out, and it's been working. I'm just not quick enough. So what I gotta do is when he comes out, close that patch up, close that hole up so he can't get back there, and then just grab him. Oops, sorry. So I'm gonna close that patch up with that fence, and I'm gonna scoot this one over and close that up, and I'm gonna grab him. Okay, there's the chick. We don't want to scare it back though. So, oh no, don't go back in there. Don't go back in there. Don't go back in there. No, no, no. Oh, damn. Okay, maybe I gotta just sneak right there and wait for it and watch with the camera. Okay, so baiting the bird with the other bird works. And then we chased it around and got to throw the bin on top of it. And here's the other. Grab this one first. He's a real troublemaker.